amid aggression by China at the border and fresh economic retaliation by India. Over 100 more Chinese apps banned by the Modi government, including PUBG, the popular mobile game, WeChat, ShareSave by Xiaomi, and Baidu. The government cited national security considerations for the decision. The government said that the app's activities are prejudicial to India's sovereignty, integrity, and defense. The app's activities are prejudicial to the security of the state and public order. The government said that it received complaints that the apps steal and surreptitiously transmit users' data outside India. Data compilation, mining, and profiling by elements hostile to India's security merited the ban on the apps. The government said that it received inputs that the apps collect and share data and compromise personal information, which is a severe threat to India's security. This is the third time that the Indian government has banned mobile apps made by Chinese firms. The first announcement was made on June 29, when 59 apps were banned, including the social media app TikTok. The second ban was announced on July 24, in which 47 apps, believed to be clones of the earlier apps, were banned. By far, the most popular among the newly banned applications is PUBG. It reportedly has over 4 crore monthly active users in India. Like the earlier decisions, the latest move came in the backdrop of Chinese provocation at the border. The Indian Army said that provocative military movement was conducted by the Chinese Army at the line of actual control on the intervening night of August 29 and 30. Indian troops preempted the Chinese activity on Pangong So's southern bank. Army said that the Indian troops strengthened their position to thwart China's move to unilaterally change facts on the ground. India's actions have also motivated other nations like the United States of America. The Trump government has threatened to ban the Chinese social media app TikTok unless it is sold to a US firm. Here is the full list of the latest apps banned by India.